What you have before you is codification of whistleblower cause of action. Right now it exists in common law, and this is a attempt to bring this into statutory definition as far as what the cause of action for a whistleblower is, and when the individuals that do blow the whistle are guaranteed some protection as a protected person. You all will probably recognize dealing with this in past years. Whenever we had this, it was rolled in with some revisions to the Missouri Human Rights Act. This year, has nothing to do with Missouri Human Rights Act. We took it out of Chapter 213. It's now being codified in Chapter 285, which is Labor and Industrial Relations. And we specifically go further to state here that the Missouri Human Rights Commission has no jurisdiction over reviewing these types of claims. And with that, what we've done is we've gone through and we've identified, you can see from the definitions, what an employer is, who the proper authorities are that something needs to be reported to, defined who is a protected person. You know, it's someone who is reporting something that violates a clear mandate of public policy that's articulated in the statutes and Constitution and rules within the governmental bodies. And we go down to here. We also still include in here caps on the non-economic damages portion. We keep in here where that a person can, if they're a protected person and wrongfully terminated in court, they can recover their actual back pay and interest and other equitable relief. The economic damages related to that, but then this has a graduated class of caps on damages depending on the size of the employer they're working for the non-economic portion of this. With that, I'll yield to any questions.
Mr. Chairman, excuse me, members of the committee, nice to be back in a more comfortable chair. Jay Adkins, General Counsel for the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry, here to testify in favor of Representative Elmer's fine bill. I believe this committee has seen this a number of times over the years, often, as Representative May pointed out, has been coupled with other legislation. Representative Elmer has filed it as a standalone bill this time. We think it's an important piece of legislation, and I would like to go on record in support. Be happy to answer any questions.